Hey, welcome to this episode of Moonbats. This is Xavier, my son. You all seen him before. We are going to get this truck with those axles on it and get it out that door. This is going to be kind of a long and weird episode with edited footage from like a lot of different stuff. But this is it. We're moving a barn find 1949 M47, which is also known as a F1. Ford made it, but Mercury made this one. And pickup truck. So, hope you enjoy.
The farmers in the area say it's the smallest one like that they've seen.
Yeah. I've sent a few messages out and no one seems to be able to be telling me anything about it.
Well, it's manufactured in Chicago, that's all I know.
Yeah.
And it's 1875 RPM.
Wow. Alright.
This was the
That
horse
one?
one.
Yeah.
Oh, what? No, it died. Did it die? I don't know.
You just gotta turn the end. Remember I told you?
No, the GoPro. Oh, the light is still blinking. Did it just turn this?
Building, it's just... Alright. That's solid. So I'm going to bring up the other side a little bit more to match that side. And I'm going to pick up the...
Wait, I'm just gonna
go over.
So you mean it was easier to move the wood than to move the chassis over a bit?
What's that?
You mean it was easier to move the wood than the chassis? I know that the tin is in the way, but I brought that in because I wanted to do some repairs because there's a lot of room over there with the rear axles.
Yeah, I'm going to do the front first, and then we'll see about the back.
Oh, that's right, yeah, and the front is pretty even, yeah. That's true. Then.
The front, there's a lot of space around here, so that's good. Alright, so we've got the front end up in the air, which is great. And it's on the jack stand. We can take it off this log. Right. What? We're good. We're good? Okay. Alright. So this goes right here. Careful, please.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, man. So this is that part. So now there's a box here, right here, that has pieces that we need. I don't know if they look like this. Here, come here. So you here, come over here and we'll look through this box. Okay. This has all the pieces that we need in it, in theory. So we'll see what we can use. What's going on. So this is one side. This is everything. Okay. So careful, please. Just that's the same thing. That's great. There we go. That's what I needed. Just needed to tap it in the right direction. So right now we have to adjust this nut, this right here, to pull the pads in a little bit because they're just a little bit too far out. So I'm gonna try to work on that right now. I don't have the right tool for this with me, so we're just gonna hope for the best. So what that does is it brings the brake pads in, it adjusts them this way. It makes them go further or closer. And with that, it's because the hub wouldn't slide over it because the brake pads were too far adjusted out. They could be swollen, they could just be just bad. And it could have been adjusted right for this hub or the other hub. There we go. Nope, not yet. Ooh. Okay. Not quite yet. Okay. I'm sure there's some guy right now cringing at me using this to do this, but whatever. There we go. Oh yeah, that's great. Okay, so then this bearing, oh, it just got so dirty. Whatever, I'm gonna clean these bearings up and put them back in later. But the important part is that this piece is in there.
Great.
This is the hub. Oh yeah! And then look. That means one wheel rolls.
Okay.
That's what that means. That's awesome. Okay, that's the big fuck you adjustable wrench.
Why is it called big?
Because it's big. And it says if you need to use it, you're saying fuck you. I'm moving this piece. Because I don't have a right socket for this right now. So I was going to, where did that, oh, there's a cotter pin that we took out. So all we do is you tighten this guy up until it's snug. And then you loosen it up a touch. There we go. And you just, because these were once already tightened, so this is a little too tight. You see how it doesn't like flow smooth? Touch it off a notch and see how much easier it rolls. I don't know if you can tell or not, but
Not really.
it rolls smoother. All right. All right. Do both of these.
It's probably like asbestos wood.
It's probably lead in the paint, so don't eat it. But it's not asbestos wood. It's not how it works. Can you flathead screwdriver, please? We're gonna pop this cap off, and hopefully the cotter pin is under there, or the castle pin is under there as well. There we go. You want to do this one, Xavier?
I can just film.
You can just film?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what I'm doing now? Do you understand it?
You're taking the top off so you can slide it in?
Yeah. Do you know what's underneath here, though?
It's like the
Bearings?
bearings.
Yeah. Okay.
I was just gonna say ball things.
Yeah, ball things is a, but they're funny because they're not balls.
Oh.
They're like little columns.
Oh.
They're called needle bearings.
Interesting.
It's like a different, so yeah, see them? Look, you can show folks there. They're needle bearings. They're not,
Interesting.
yeah. So we're gonna just slide that on there so I can get the, oh yeah, everything is good. That's good.
It looks like something you'd pull out of someone's body in a horror movie.
Yeah, well.
Like in The Matrix.
Like in The Matrix, the classic horror movie, The Matrix.
No, I said or in The Matrix, not like
I'm just
I didn't say
teasing.
like The Matrix.
Oh, no, good. That one slid right on.
Great.
Does it move? Yeah, it does. Okay, good. All right. So now we're going to slide that bearing in there. And there's a cap. Ew. There we go. Look at all that grease in there. It's like 80-year-old grease, or at least 50-year-old grease. Okay, let's put this light over here, actually, so I can actually see what I'm doing. There we go. There. Okay. So this went way, way smoother than I was expecting it to,
That's good.
which is good. All right, so we're putting the wheel on right now. I'm just trying to get this thing going. All right, here we go. It's on the wheels, mounted by itself, which is great. Couldn't get the rear drums. Oh, not yet. I'll do that right now. Couldn't get the rear drums unseized, so we're not gonna have back wheels to move this out. But I think we'll have enough people that it'll be all right. It's just sitting right on those front wheels. That's where most of the weight is, so that should be good. All right, so this has been kind of spliced all together here. So I guess I'll give you a bit of an update about what's going on now. I found that truck in the basement, which was awesome, with the Norton. Video will be around here, I don't know, whatever. Indian 2, also another video about that. And now I gotta pull the truck out. Originally we were gonna pull the truck out in the spring, but the guy wants the truck out of the basement right away. So in the past week, right around Christmas, I have found a garage to rent, which you'll get to see for the first time in this video, where I'll be moving stuff around. And my buddy Garrett, holy moly, has he been huge help here. He came over with his truck, and we did about 3 runs and moved all the body panels back so I could go back to the basement, or moved all the body panels to my garage so I could go back to the basement. And I, with my son, we put on the front axle so the truck can steer. So now today we're moving the frame and the motor and the trans out in one shot with the front wheels attached, so it should roll right out. It's a tight fit. We gotta bring down a wall. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. I'm gonna give my son the GoPro and give him my phone, and we're just gonna try to film everything that we can, and I'll put it together to make a video for you, and hopefully by the end of this it'll all make sense with a 1949 M47 pickup truck in my garage, so I can start working on it. And you guys are gonna get a bunch of videos about that coming in the future, because I mean, what else am I gonna do? I got that thing now. Still gonna have some motorcycle videos, still a lot of motorcycle videos. This is just gonna be a varied content kind of channel now, I guess. I don't know, guys, this is just fun. This is my life. The last month has been completely bananas, and you've been along for the ride. Alright, so we're moving those, look like 1, 2, 3 doors, all this stuff down here. Cab's gonna come out this way, truck's gonna come right out. We're gonna roll it out. That's the plan.
Yeah.
It's not me, those Harley shirts you got.
Fingers here.
Right in front during the Friday.
Yeah, just put it down in front of the cab.
Fancy.
Yeah, just for now.
No, because like the chassis is coming out first.
Alright, folks.
Yeah.
Now's your time to shine.
Dude, I mean,
Watch the,
hold on. Let's maybe go straight here.
Well, keep going. Oh, you mean
Yeah.
you want to go straight?
Yep. Yeah, that way we can swing it.
Right.
Yeah.
There we go.
Back it out. Clear and back.
Backs out. Backwards.
Yep.
Here, Lois, why don't you carry this and I'll take over that.
I really back myself.
That way when we're rolling. Go forward. Let's turn it.
There you go.
There we go. Alright, that's good.
We're gonna get it past these posts.
Yeah, it'll fit. I measured.
Hold on.
Alright.
Yep.
Tightest spot. Careful
Watch
with those.
the bracket.
Yeah. The running board bracket. No, this is spinning.
Toss him on top of that. Yeah, might as well. Yeah.
Front bumper, buddies. Yeah.
I thought the bumpers were gone.
Watch the pipe on the ground, guys. Yeah, don't trip on that.
This can just go right in the snow for now. Oh, wow.
Like right
All right, yeah, right here's good.
Okay.
All right, let's close this wall up.
Nothing else? Double check.
I'll double check right now.
Check along the,
Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now.
along the wall there.
Brain out.
What is that?
I am almost like I'm doing things.
Just unzip your coat.
Yeah.
Are you wearing overalls too?
Overalls, long johns,
That's the
sweater.
problem right there.
I know, it's because I've been working.
Yeah, you know, it's not quite.
Here, I'll push it in. I'll push it in.
Well, watch it. I don't know what the name of any of these things are. Brackets. Can we pivot around? Yeah. Over the first tree, don't break it down, but push it. Okay. All right. Now we push. I can't straighten the wheels. There's too much snow. There. All right. Go. Push. Left side bracket. Hold up. Oh, there we go. Thank you, Wiley. Learning words. All right. Good. We're good. We're good. There's a.
Thank you for putting the wheels on, Tony.
Yeah. Careful, there's a pole sticking out of the ground over here that I just stepped over. Oh,
We got it.
there we go. All right, we gotta go left as far as we can. All right, that's good. Just be careful with that little tree. Okay, good. I think so. All right.
In the bucket.
Oh. Hang on.
There he is.
There.
We keep going a little bit, then we drop it at the
We're gonna
end.
go all the way to the end and drop it.
Roll it right into that car.
Not the blue one.
Nope, focus.
I had the exact same.
It's like a horror movie set.
This piece of wood with my axe.
If you want, I could take this one if you're getting another one. or-
That's it.
That's it, go ahead.
Those might be too long, but it'll get us down. All right, Dan, watch your head. You can just put the plank down, I think. Oh, you almost stood up right into it.
But not the first nor the last.
That's good. There we go. There, now we can slide it down. We can lift up this, pull the planks out, those cinder blocks out, and just pivot.
Down.
Yeah, let's roll forward a little bit. There, that's it.
Okay.
That's still
You alright?
We can stop as we need.
Yeah, just, are we alright for straps? It seems
Yeah.
like we're way high back here and you guys are super low.
Sorry, guys.
Yep.
All right.
You're good, you're good. Down?
Yeah, down.
Alright.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's good.
Alright.
There.
Yeah, that's much better.
Oh.
Hang on. Someone's gotta keep.
Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna wrap around a tree here.
This is heavy.
Yep. I'm not doing any lifting, just keeping it balanced.
Yeah. Watch your.
All right, let's take a break.
When you go around.
2, 3. You good?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Hang on.
If you need a break, just
Well, no,
say.
just because we're gonna lose our side guy here.
Okay,
I'm trying to keep it
down.
1, 2, 3. That'd be great.
Got it?
Yeah, thanks. All right, 1, 2, 3, curb.
Curve down.
Down.
Down. You're on the down. There. All right, let's put it on the snow and then figure out what to do. Down. Stop. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Watch yourself. Watch it. Oh, we get out of the way. Okay, put it down. On the corner, on the bed. There we go.
Everyone's
All right,
hands clear?
Hands clear. Slide it forward. Yep. There we go. Good. There we go. All right. Now we're gonna slide it up. 1, 2, 3. God damn. Okay.
Just
Slide it forward. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Stop. Stop. No.
No?
That's good enough.
Stop.
I think that's good, man.
That's good.
Let it go.
It's good. Just strap. You
We need to-
gotta.
We need to put
Strap
something
hook
under
right
it.
there.
We need to put something under it. It's sitting on the wheel.
All right, so here's the truck in the shop. It's here. I don't know. It's everything. We moved it all in. It's been a couple days, so things are kind of like a little bit more organized. I'll be doing a couple videos from here. I don't know. If you want to see stuff, let me know. If you don't want to see stuff, let me know, because otherwise you're going to see stuff. That's really what I should have said. Like, subscribe. This whole month has been bananas. I don't really know what to say. This is like kind of ridiculous. But here we are. I got a truck now, and hopefully it'll be on the road soon-ish.